Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cristina. If you're new here, I do product reviews mostly on luxury beauty, skincare, and makeup. Occasionally snippets of my life in a vlog or a luxury accessory review. So before I begin, you guys, I just want to start by, premising my video or the videos I will be making in the next few weeks. So I know that it's been difficult. 2020 has been difficult for a lot of people, and even more so now, whether it be the pandemic or just social unrest in certain parts of the world, or even natural disasters that have hit certain countries like where I'm from, which is the Philippines. And honestly, especially before I turn on the camera for this video, I had second thoughts in actually even making a video because it seems like not the appropriate time, or maybe not so appropriate for what's going on. But I love making videos and I love sharing things that I enjoy with you guys, and I hope that you see it that way, that my video is a little timeout for you guys to maybe just relax and think of something a little more lighthearted for 10 to 15 minutes and just enjoy things and share things that we're all passionate about. And I know it's difficult now, I mean, for everyone, even for myself, because I know that even people, family members and people close to me are going through things. But at the same time, I just want a little space, a little time out, and maybe a little happiness, 10 to 15 minutes that I can share with you guys by sharing small things here and there. So anyway, I thought I would just casually come on here, and unlike my previous videos which were so focused on new launches and makeup and, you know, pretty things, I thought I would just, this is more casual. Even the products I'll be sharing is not super thorough, but again, I will always put the links down below, you guys. And if they're my affiliate links, just know that when you shop through them, I will, as an affiliate, you get a little commission. And if you want to shop that way, then thank you so much for the support. I deeply appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed, sorry, please press the subscribe button down below. The biggest thing you can help, or the biggest thing you can do for me, is subscribe down below and press the notification bell so you can be notified when I make new videos. So first and foremost, you guys, I really have to get this out of the way. I have to share with you guys my nails because I just find them super cute. I got inspiration from an Instagram post, and I think I took a screenshot quite a while ago, and I've always wanted to do it, but I always did like a classic nail or a French tip or just my red nails. So it's this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like colored tips halfway. So that's what I asked my nail tech to do, and I absolutely love it. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that was the inspo. So my nails are pretty long, but I asked her to keep the length. So it's basically a French tip, but instead of the classic way, it's like colored tip. A red colored tip, which is like halfway through the nail and not your traditional shape that just goes like curve the tip. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really love it. And of course, I want to share with you guys my drink for the day. This is the peppermint mocha from Starbucks, which is a holiday drink. Usually I go grab them right away when they're launched, but because I am so obsessed with my Nespresso now and the new flavors that they have, this is the first day I actually grabbed a Starbucks holiday drink. But the peppermint mocha is still a classic and is still super amazing. Also, you guys, I've been obsessed with a YouTuber, and she's not a beauty YouTuber, and it's just so refreshing. I'm sure you've heard of her, and it's Emma Chamberlain. I just love her personality, and I love that she loves coffee. So I'm going to begin. I just have a few products, I think 4 or 5 products to share with you guys. Now, these are products that for practicality purposes I've been using on a daily basis because we're now in deep winter in Vancouver. So I'm gonna begin, by the way, you guys, before again, it's only 5:10, you guys, and it's pitch black outside. So I am just relying on my ring light, which I rarely do. I usually rely on my natural light because Vancouver natural light is amazing. So I apologize if I'm looking a bit, I don't know, yellow or warm because I'm using the ring light, and I've tried so many combinations. For me, this looks the best, so I hope it's pretty okay. First product I want to share with you guys is actually a drugstore product, and I know I say I do focus on luxury beauty in my channel, but regardless of price point, you guys, if the quality is good, I will share them with you guys. I am not about brands. I'm about quality, and yeah, quality. So this is the Nivea hand cream, and this is the Q10 3-in-1 anti-age cream, which claims it's anti-wrinkle, it smooths and evens out the tone. I'm not going to break it down into ingredients because I never really dove into the product as such. I just know that I like the texture, I like the consistency, and I like how it moisturizes my hand without being too sticky or too filmy. You know how after you use some hand creams, so I just use this amount, your hand just gets so sticky it feels like you need to wash it, or to kinda, if not, you're just gonna leave prints or marks everywhere. This one absorbs super quickly, you guys. Like, I don't feel a film. I feel that it softens my hands and it moisturizes my hands, but at the same time it's not sticky or greasy. And the smell, it smells amazing, and I can't describe it. It's not floral, it's not fruity, it's not like one of those Bath and Body Works lotions. It smells spa-like, almost like a very good face cream. I'm not so sure. Actually, if you've used their Q10 lotion, it does have the same fragrance and it's amazing. But on the hand cream, I swear you guys, I bring this sometimes when I go to work. I have it in my bag, even if it's extra large, even if I have an Aveeno hand cream in my work. And I also put it on my bedside before going to bed. I love it that much. So I highly recommend this. I think this retails for $4.99 Canadian. So absolutely love that. The next product is a skin lotion or face lotion or toner. Now this has always been an Estee Lauder bestseller, and I never really felt the need for it or was attracted to it until finally it piqued my curiosity to try it out. And it's the Estee Lauder Soft Clean. This is a silk hydrating lotion. So I use this like a toner, and I use it with a cotton pad. It is for dry skin. Now there's floral botanicals in this, and I think those are the main things that it has. So this is a gentle lotion that pampers your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and it's alcohol free, you guys. And I have been using this on a daily, not because I have to, although I have to because it's winter and my skin is dry, but because I love reaching for it. It just feels really like silk. And after I cleanse my skin, I get a cotton pad and I just swipe this across my face. It really refreshes my skin and leaves it feeling very supple but not dried out after. And yeah, so this has, I believe there are a couple of floral extracts in this, and there's no alcohol. It's water-based. So I absolutely am enjoying it. And I think this retails for $58, below $60 Canadian. Again, you guys, I will put the links down below. But I thoroughly enjoy this. You get 400 ml, which is very, very generous for a more premium brand, especially the quantity for the price. And I think it's just a more, I used the Mario Badescu toners before. This is definitely way better and nicer for the skin. I see the tone of my skin after I apply this and the feel of my skin after I apply this. And I think it's also a very, very good catalyst for your skincare products that you use after. Okay, the next two products I want to share with you guys are from my two favorite brands, from Dior and Sea Beauty or Coconut Beauty. I will put the link of Sea Beauty down below. We do shipping in US and Canada and the Philippines as well. There will be a link of the Philippine website down below. I'm going to begin with the Dior one. Now this unfortunately is not readily accessible in North America, but you can get it from the Selfridges site. I will also put the link down below, which is where I got this from. Now this is the Cica Balm 1967, which is, I think, if I'm right, and I think I'm right, 1967 was the first formulation of a body product from Dior, and I think they recreated it with this one. This one is a chamomile repair balm, and I thoroughly enjoy it. I have eczema flares on my face, mostly on my lids once in a while, and I've been using this on the daily. Now, when I first started having very bad eczema flares, my doctor prescribed a high level steroid cream for me, and although it works, I can't use it daily, not even, I think maybe just even weekly. But this one is chamomile based and I can use it daily, and I have. So before I even apply makeup, I just put a little on my lids with my ring finger, just tap a little in and put it, and it's worked amazing, you guys. I've really had my eczema almost non-existent. This is also not heavy or thick, so really just gorgeous. You can also apply this on very dry areas of the body. So if you have eczema or anything like that, or this is an amazing universal repair balm. Last but not the least, you guys, is my moisturizer, which is the Sea Beauty Coconut Beauty Universal Body Oil. As you guys know, this is no chemicals, 100% organic coconut oil, and I can't rave enough about how coconut oil as an ingredient really does so much more than any over-the-counter hydrating lotions, no matter how premium they are. So this has a lot of very natural fatty acids from lauric acid, and it just really is absorbed by the skin and really gives moisture to the skin for long term, versus a water-based lotion or moisturizer that you can get over the counter, because they're water-based will evaporate after a few minutes, and then you're left with dryness again. So it's deep winter now, you guys, and I've been reaching for this like twice, thrice a day. Even if I have not showered, like in the middle of the day, I will just get a pump and just put it on my arms, my elbows, even my hand, and it does amazing. So if I have any left over, I also just run it through my hair, the tips of my hair, and it really helps with any split ends as well. So Sea Beauty, you guys, I will put the website link down below. And I think, oh, there is one more product, you guys, I want to share. And this one is not really, it's new, it's a new flavor, but I've been liking this since before. It's the new Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, but this one is in mint, chocolate mint. And formula is the same, you guys, so it's absolutely amazing. It's just a nice, very refreshing feel to the lip, and the chocolate mint is just something really cute to, it's a really nice flavor. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Of course, the original berry in the red pot is amazing. It's amazing, but this is so cute and so good as well, you guys. It's limited edition and it's available in Sephora. So again, I'll put the link down below. But in terms of moisturizing the lip, especially overnight, this is honestly holy grail, and I'm just enjoying this new flavor a lot. Okay, I think that's about it. I will also share with you guys the products that I have on. I will put it in the list down below, because these are some of the new products that I've shared in my past videos, and I want you guys to know that I really enjoy it. I've been using them, as you can see. This is the Makeup by Mario palette. This is the Chanel Rouge Allure Intense limited edition color in 107. And then on the cheeks, I have the Dior limited edition holiday blush in Rose Frisson. And I will put the rest down below, you guys. Again, I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone is well, wherever you may be. And I'm wishing everyone a beautiful week and December ahead. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it down below and I make sure to read them or respond to them. I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.